You guys want to see some ridiculous bull crap? You know what that one is? Chef Boyardee is so stupid. Let's try Big Time Whoosh, you moron, dude.
Third of all, always keep a bottle of water around because you never know when something
Dude, look at that! No! And you don't ever get Chef Boyardee, you know, having some big time whoosh. And you moron, you're trying to get anything, and we know right now also saying plus doesn't even work as good. And plus doesn't even big time whoosh, you moron. Overpriced piece of crap. And you moron, you know you're irritating, you know what process? My God!